Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. But first I get into the topic today. As you can see, I'm finally able to braid up my hair. I leave out my edges because my edges are really sensitive. I have no clue why, but they're really freaking sensitive, and I was actually able to braid this up myself. It's not perfect at all, but I did it. But I really wanted to put on a wig today, so I'm gonna put on this wig cap real quick because I feel exposed, because I really want to feel pretty today, and this is how I think I'm gonna be pretty today, because like I said, my hair is braided. Can't really go outside with my hair braided. That's kind of weird. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this wig that I dyed. Hopefully you have seen it already, but anyway, this is the wig I dyed. Look at it. It is African Violet. I used two things of African Violet and Lavender at the bottom, and if you can see right here, there's some lavender right here. This wig was all blonde. I colored it myself with just my hands because I was too lazy to go out and get a brush and bowl. But anyway, I made this wig. The company that I bought it from is Allovehair. It was $100 and something. Really wasn't expensive at all, but I bought it. This is my wig head. I got this wig head off of Amazon, and as you can see, it has been through it, but it is wonderful. But like I said, this wig was originally blonde. As you can see from the inside, they put, it's really done well. It's a 13, is it 13 by 6 or I don't know what inches this is. I think it's a 13 by 6 just because of how much it is. I think a 4 would have ended right here, but as you can see, it is all the way around. It was already constructed, and it gives more than just a little space at the sides. And I mentioned this before, I hate when I ask for a 13 by 4 and it's like literally an inch of side, so I can't like part it wherever I want it to part it. That's so fucking annoying. But this one actually does all of that, and it's really weird that this one is the least expensive of all the custom wigs I have. Not custom, but all the wigs I have bought. Like literally, this is the cheapest, and it was a blonde. And it's really good though. The only thing is a little bit frizzy, but I'm hoping that today, with me maneuvering and stuff, it will just calm the fuck down. Oh, but okay, so one thing I do before anything, because I really don't care how my hairline looks, and this wig was already pre-plucked, I'm pretty sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the edges of it and just cut as close as possible to the lace. Because of the fact that this is a blonde wig, I don't like any of the lace to actually show, because it just looks more natural when you cut as close as possible to their makeshift hairline. So for this wig, Pinterest. I love purple. If you don't know already, I love the color purple, but I don't have a purple wig, and it's time for me to have a purple wig. Usually I always buy either blue or pink, and guess what, if you mix those two colors together, you get purple. Real talk. That's why I think this wig looks a little bit more blue, which is really weird because I put African Violet, which was like a dark purple. It was supposed to be dark purple with a hint of blue, but it came out more blue. And that's why I'm just like, yeah. And y'all want to know something else that's weird? I let the dye sit on the hair for 3 days. That's funny. I really did. I let it sit there for 3 days because I just didn't feel like freaking washing it out. Like after I did all that work, I was just like, okay, well, let me sit it up here overnight so it can really penetrate and sink in and stuff. And next thing I know, 2 days went by. Yeah, that was funny. Close enough, so. But we're gonna go ahead and put it on. They do give clips in the back, and because I ain't really got no hair right now, I'm just making them as tight as possible. Oh. Okay, got my little hair. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Alright, so I am going to have to take my L'Oreal Pro True Match foundation, put a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to put it around the edges of this frontal because they really made it blonde. I didn't know it was that damn blonde. You just do it really lightly. Just do it really lightly. Don't worry about like it being like a lot in one place. Just make sure, definitely make sure the edges are covered. Like definitely. That makes it okay for me. And just, I mean, just using the rest of that to just color. I think I am gonna make it a two-parter. But now I'm just going to take some alcohol and go around my edges, especially right here because I think there's some leftover hairspray. This wig I actually just been wearing wigs. It's weird. And it fits perfect. It's actually perfect. I don't have to cut no ear tabs or anything. It's fucking perfect. Fucking bitch. Alright, so let's go ahead and tie this down. So now I'm using the Got to Be Insta Hold. Yeah, this is gonna be a two-parter because I like to then I blow dry on low. Alright, it's still a little bit wet. Let's go again. Okay, I think I'm gonna make my own part. Crazy, right? Okay, make sure part lines up. Do press. And then we just go in again. Completely done. Put this sew on, but and for my sides I go ahead and do both sides, like I go ahead and spray them because I don't know, I just don't really care about them coming up. It's mostly the middle. Ooh, and I'm seeing it. All right, this side first is just a little. That was weird.